2019 Mercedes C300. I gotta replace this piece of junk. It's leaking from there. The location is right here. There's 2 bolts here, 1 here, and the upper radiator hose goes here. There is one goes here, and that hose goes right there. You have to take the intake out. So another process, I'm gonna share it a couple minutes after I finish the job. Yesterday we replaced, I believe, the thermostat, which is located right here. This guy. Thermostat was bad, we replaced, and this should get bad. You got to be really careful when you're working on it, because those hoses brittle, it break very easy. Like those hose is really brittle due to the heat and cold. It get brittle.